Mr. Geller.
Mr. Roberts.
Must be my 9 o'clock.
What the fuck? Hey! 5 minutes. Drive!
You fucking kidding me? What did you just do? I can't do this, pal. I can't be involved.
Why doesn't anybody listen to me? You're a hostage. You had no choice. I put a gun to your head.
What kind of stupid do you think I am?
You were a driver. All you gotta do is get me where I want to go, and you're free as a bird. You skate.
Those aren't fucking cops, man.
They're like mercenaries.
You were driving the car.
I didn't rob her.
逃走が男のプライドを覚醒させる。
Wanna get up close, spread them out.
フルアクセルの先にあるものとは。ドライブハード。